Hey, Tamir from Fibonacci here, midday market, halftime show. It's 11:59 p.m. China time, 11:59 a.m. Eastern time, and 6:59 p.m. Israel time. Say hi, don't be shy. How are you this evening, this afternoon, this late night, wherever you are in the world? Let's start with the market, of course. SPY at 65 minutes, now stuck on the 50% retracement. We have here the high, low, bounce, 50% retracement. Now let's see breaking up and above, and we will see 558.60 to the upside, and then this gap will get filled. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. Don't forget, just in few hours after the closing bell, Tesla and Apple. Let's see what Tesla is doing on the intraday. Let's check it. Tesla on the 5 minutes. Let's check Tesla on the 65 minutes. As you can see, this is the first 65 minutes candle, the second 65 minutes candle, and now we are just started. 20 minutes ago we started the third 65 minutes candle. We have a gap over here, and we know that more than 85% of all gaps will get filled. Now this area, the 250 area, is a very tough resistance. Look left, trade right, or just put the FT on your chart. Look at this, the 250-30 area, very tough resistance. Breaking below the 247, we will see 245 and 241. For now, not much of a price action on Tesla. Let's check Google. Google also not much of a price action. First 65 minutes candle went up. Now just hanging above the 50% retracement. This is the Fibonacci Traders Indicator. It's a tool that will provide you everything that you need just one click away. And Google also have a gap over here. This is Monday's opening gap. 181 needs to hold the support. Otherwise, this gap will get filled. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but everything can happen after the closing bell, after earnings. It's all about how the market will react to those earnings. Let's see the QQQ. Shai, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate you taking the time and joining me. Let's take the QQQ in the last 21 trading candles. No, too tight. Let's check the 34 trading candles on the 65 minutes, and here we are struggling with the lower board of the Lozan, the 483 area, very tough resistance. Now, are we going down? Are we going up? For now, inside candle at the 65, which means we just sit on hands and do nothing. By the way, if you're not a member in the Fibonacci Traders Discord, you've missed a couple of amazing trades during this morning until just a few minutes ago. This was yesterday. We took some SPY long. We took some MicroStrategy long. We took it 17.55. Now MicroStrategy is 17.71. It went all the way up. Look at this. Went all the way up to 17.90. Not MicroStrategy, yeah. What else did we have? MicroStrategy went all the way to close the gap. SMCI, we took also long. SMCI, we took long. Very nice long. From this breakout, from here all the way to here. See, we took it long at the 785. Now it's at a 799. It went all the way up to 805. So yes, if you want to make money together with an amazing team of traders in English or in Hebrew, the only Discord that will help you in English and in Hebrew, day trading, swing trading, crypto trading, whatever you want. The only Discord out there that focus only on making money. That's it. Hi Dudu, thank you very much for joining this live. Let's check. Dudu wants, Dudu gets PTGX. And if you want to support this channel, if you like my work and you want to support my work, just click the link in the super chat, buy me coffee. It's instead of the super chat, will be much appreciated. And if you buy me coffee, Asaf Yarkoni, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Asaf Yarkoni, for this super chat slash. Let's check it out. I want to see if I can pop it up on my screen once again. Asaf, thank you very much for this amazing coffee. Thank you very much. Let's see if I can put it over here. This is how it looks. Thank you very much. Once again, Asaf Yarkoni, thank you very much. So let's check what are we? PTGX. PTGX breaking now to, above this yellow zone. Bullish on all time frames. As long as we're above the 3630, we are good to continue long towards where? Just take the Fibonacci trend lines and they will show you the way. Above 3820, we will see 3960, 41, and never say never. Maybe before the earnings, maybe we will see the yellow trend line to the upside. What else do we have? What else do we have? Asaf, once again, thank you very much on this, we can call it super chat. 3 cups of coffee. I do appreciate you, my friend. BE. Let's check BE for Fadi. BE still stuck inside the yellow zone. I want to see break up and above the 15 area, and then we can start taking long position on it. Let's check what are my top stocks for doing. Coin continues to the upside. 256 now needs to hold the support. Long continuation, and we will meet this yellow trend line. REAX also from my top stocks to watch. Second day in a row to the upside. Now the 561 is the support, bullish on all time frames, and we can see 655 and 717 to the upside. Pacey also from my top stocks to watch, bullish on all time frames. Nice continuation. Now let's see break above this area, the 164 area, and we are heading north to the 170 and 179. What else do we have? IONQ, also from the morning's stock market recap we had. I'm waiting for a close above the 835, and then we can start taking long on IONQ. AVGO 1.7% still did not close this gap over here. What else do we have? Palantir looking very good. As long as Palantir is above the 2745 and above this red line, Palantir is on its way up. 2980, 3090 and 3220. Shopify, nothing much. Tesla we talked about. Amazon going up today 3%, but stuck at the lower border of the yellow zone. The yellow zone is the major part of support and resistance according to the FTI. And if you want to get the FTI on your chart, check the links in the description below and join the Fibonacci Traders Gold membership, and you will gain access to all the Discord channels you just saw and the FTI. IRDM for Zorik. Let's see. Are you excited for Tesla's earnings? Are you excited for Google's earnings? What do you think? Where the market will take Google and Tesla post earnings? Iridium looking very good. I want to see a close above this area. Look how the price struggles with the upper border of the yellow zone, the 2880 area. I want to see close above it, and then we can start taking long position. Earnings came out. Let's see continuation, 29 and 31.50. Once again, I want to see a close above the 28.80 area. What else? What else do we have? What else interesting today? This is how the SPY looks for now. And as you can see, this option channel, the lower border, the red line, from support to the higher lows. Now resistance, but resistance for the higher highs. This is how trend lines works. This is how they work. Support and resistance. They are all the same. As long as SPY continues to scroll up above or below the red line, we're heading north. QQQ, nothing much. As you can see, not much of a price section. Dow Jones, also not much of a price section, as long as the Dow needs to hold the 401 area. IWM, 1% to the upside, continues its journey north. 226, 234, and 244. What else do we have? From the crowd, we have Pan W. For Itai, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, hit the like, subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. Dudu, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Buy me coffee, call it whatever you want. I do appreciate you, Dudu. Thank you very, very much. It's not taking as granted whatsoever. Pan W, not much of a price section. As long as you're above the 324 area, you can still hold your long position if you're long, but if you're not long yet, I would wait. Yes, we are bullish on all time frames, but this price section makes me a little bit worried because we are moving sideways with doji after doji. I want to see a clear breakup above the 346, and as you can see, I have this alert over here. Dudu, once again, thank you very much for this amazing cup of coffee. Achishai, you are the only investor I'm following in Israel. My platforms are IBI and Blink. I'm unsure if these are good platforms to invest in long term. What do you recommend me to do as a beginner? First, Achishai, thank you very much for following me. I do appreciate it. I'm not an investor. I am a trader. I use interactive brokers. But if you are looking only to invest, any platform can do good. Just check the rates, the fees for buying and selling. I don't know IBI, I don't know Blink, never use them. If you can, I suggest open Interactive Brokers account. There is a branch, Interactive Brokers Israel, and they are good. They are good, so open an account with them. In my opinion, they're pretty good. They're the only ones I don't have any affiliate or anything with them, but I'm using them for already 7 years. No complaints. No complaints whatsoever. Jonathan wants BX. Blackstone looking good as long as we're above the 139. Even if we're above the 134 area, we can still go long on this one. If you're not long yet, as long as you're above the 139, you are good to go. If you're already long, just follow the support lines. VSEL. Let's check VSEL. VSEL looking good. VSEL looking good. The only problem I have with this Zoric is the volume. No volume. But as long as it's above 49.80, you're good to go long. Achishai, much appreciated. You are more than welcome. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the like We're going twice every day. Twice we're going live. And if you still don't know, this is our YouTube channel, the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe. We are just over 4,630 subscribers, over 1,200 videos every day, 8 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. Eastern time, New York time. I post 2 daily stock market recaps, one in English, one in Hebrew, of course. During weekends, I post top stocks to watch list, English, Hebrew, the stock market technical analysis, weekly recap, and we have the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist, 40 videos, free, on how to become a better trader, technical side, and the psychology behind trading. Let's grow this channel together. This channel is for everyone that wants to do one thing: make money, real money, not BS, no bullshit, no stories, with trading with me. MSTR, micro strategy. As long as micro strategy is holding above the 1650 area, looking good. As long as Bitcoin will continue to rise up, looking good. The only thing we need to watch is earnings coming up, end of the month, long continuation, and we will see 1976 and 2186. And what else? This was my take on MSTR. And by the way, don't forget to check the links in the description below. You have the crash course in English and in Hebrew. The Fibonacci Traders crash course will give you the best foundations and more. Best foundations and more on how to become a professional, profitable trader. It's a crash course where I go from A to Z on all my system, on all my rules, how I look at charts for swing trading, for day trading, how I use Fibonacci, how I use trend lines, how I read price action, aka candles, from beginning to start, all my method, all my rules on the crash course. So check it out. You have it in English, you have it also in Hebrew. All the links in the description below. Uber. Uber. Let's check Uber for Aviv. Uber looking not good. I won't touch Uber unless it's, for now, unless it's above the 71 area. That's my take on Uber. Not looking good. Maybe we need to wait until after earnings. Hi Sneer, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you have a pretty nice day, pretty nice evening. Met under 15 minutes, still inside an uptrend, as you can see. Uptrend, but now looks like it's going to retest the red line. What else do we have interesting? Apple made us some nuts to the downside. Nvidia moving sideways, and that's it. Nothing much. Bitcoin continues. All the buzz still stuck below the 34.75. All this area, very tough resistance. Pacey, we talked about Pacey. Fadi, we talked about Pacey in the beginning of this live. In the beginning of this live, we have talked about Pacey. So go back and check it out. Very nice to meet you too. Sheer, thank you very much. Sir or Sheer? Sir or Sheer? Let me know. If I want to know your name, how to call you. If I want to know your name, how to call you. So anything more interesting? If nothing more interesting, so that's it. Let's check more. Frog, we're still holding Frog, Frog. If you follow me on Twitter, You know that I'm holding frog in the past few days. We are still bullish on all time frames, holding strong. I want to see this gap at the 40-20 getting filled. And CNO, we are also long, as you can see. As long as we are above the 32.46 area, we can continue holding our long position. 35 and 36.50. SLQT also yesterday with 13.5%. Today at the high of the day was almost 5%. Now only 1.9%. What else do we have? Basically we talked about Jumaya giving back some. That's it. I think it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Sir, super nice to meet you. What else do we have? Really nothing much. Nothing at all. No, nothing whatsoever. That's it. I think it's a wrap, right? Unless anyone has more questions. What do I think? I don't know. I really don't know, sir. I really don't know. This is why I don't trade into earnings, because no one knows how the market will react. The only thing that matters is how the market will react to those earnings, right? It doesn't matter what I think. It doesn't matter what anyone else's think. It can take Tesla, close the gap at the 212. It can take Tesla to the 335, not today, not tomorrow, but the 220, the 212 is not that far, 14%. Not that far, maybe not tomorrow, but till the end of the week, maybe, or 335, anything can happen. And you also have this consolidation. Right? This consolidation needs to break to the upside, to the 335, or to the downside, the 212 and the 207. Will be super interesting. Will be super interesting. Can you look at Octa? Of course I can look at Octa. Octa. Broken downtrend channel. Very nice. Bearish on the daily. I would wait for another daily close above the 97.50. Above this area. And then we can start taking long on Octa. When is earnings? Still have time. Above, I will put an alert over here. Above this area, the 98, 97.50, 98. We can start taking long on Octa. Looking pretty good. Of course, breaking below the 95, we will see once again 93 and 91.46. NVO, let's check NVO. Nothing much, just stuck inside last Thursday's candle. As you can see, you have this candle. The last three candles are stuck inside it, breaking above Thursday's highs, going to close the gap over here, breaking below the 131, and you will see once again 126. Overall, nothing much on NVO, no long, no short. Let's check D-Dog. Just imagine all this free information and knowledge you get live. Just imagine what you will get once you join the Fibonacci Traders Academy, the university. It's not an academy, it's the university. The one-on-one live mentorship program, or the one is live with me, one-on-one. The second one is pre-recorded, lifetime access for support and guidance from me, and of course all Discord channels. D-Dog, downtrend until when? Until proven otherwise. D-Dog, downtrend until proven otherwise. John Polo, you're more than welcome. Why can I super chat? I want to support you. Maybe it's not your issue, Achishai. It's a problem that I have because I'm from in China, and Google, it's like water and oil. They don't. Anyway, because I'm in China, Google is making me some troubles about super chats and ads and all these kind of things. But if you want to support, you're more than welcome to scroll up. You have the Buy Me Coffee. It's a way that I found very, very tough area of resistance since February of 2021. 3.5 years of a tough resistance. Long continuation above the 604 towards 650 and 710. As long as you are above the 550, in my opinion, if you're already long, you can keep your long. If you're not long yet, only above 604. Aviv, you can ask, let's talk about it on the Discord. You have my Discord. Click the link in the description. This is the Discord. I will put the link and you can join the Discord to chat with me on Discord, and we will figure out the best solution for you. How you will become your own indicator, how to make you a professional, profitable trader. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, if no more questions, let's check. SPY is going down. QQQ going down. As you can see, the 50% retracement, very tough. Now the 382 needs to hold. The 555 needs to hold. Otherwise 553 and 551 to the downside. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for joining this live. I don't take it as granted. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, until the next video, until the next live, enjoy the rest of your evening.